In primetime news this evening, chaos reigns again. Vaccination blitz sites in disarray as thousands seek second dose of Pfizer COVID-19 vaccination. Witness in one Don trial details 2008 murder of JUTC chairman. And later, fire department probes fire at controversial Pathways Church in St. James.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on offering persons fast food vouchers and other inducements to get vaccinated? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.